I'd like to sketch a charming small duck. Place 3 spots atop its head for the tiny hairs. Bend downwards for its face, rounding it out like it's puffed up, with circular eyes. A little duck with a mouth on each side. Belly is like a small garden, just attach it. The hand is clapping, but without touching. You need to add small feet, 1 on each side. What should it hold in its hand? The little duck also loves fish, right? Draw a shark fish just about to eat the fish, and draw the tail of the fish below. The gills and eyes of the fish, just little dots. Such a simple and cute cloud. Oh no, this little duck, little white, we don't need to paint it. We just color the beak yellow on the lowest parts. A red tie on each side. Draw the thighs a little rounder. Rounder is cuter. This fish, this one. Draw the tail of the fish. So we're going to eat the fish. I'll use this light gray to outline a little lace. Sketch out a modest heart, one above. Place some clouds around. There are many clouds nearby. Let's draw the environment around it, right? I'm preparing the trash can for the little duck. Add a little wing to it. Sometimes we can indulge ourselves. Then the duck can even fly into the sky. In the realm of animation, let your creativity soar unrestrained. Little wings, little blue, set them free. This duck with the ability to soar, imagine that, such magnificent wings.